But you know what? You know what you said about after 30? Well, I noticed my chips ain't what they used to be either, girl, and I'm only 31. You really think a year can make that much of a difference? I mean, what you think? The customers can smell it?
I don't know. But it's like magic. It's like the day you turn 30, the money changes. Like James Brown sang, it's a man's world.
Sure is.
But James Brown also sang, a woman's gotta use what she got to get what she wants.
And yes.
But what she got don't last forever.
Sure don't.
Then what are you gonna do?
Go to Europe, girl. Listen, they appreciate older women and black women. Shoot, even big women. So every kind of man that men don't like here, they like over there. Well, at least that's what I hear. But you know what? I think I'm gonna go to Europe when I turn 35. Hell, I should go right now because I'm already black.
I'm gonna take that call in private.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right back.
Who is it?
It's Lauren's mom. Who are you?
Hi.
Where's my daughter, Lauren? Who are you?
I'm Rita. I'm Diamond's friend.
Diamond?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean Lauren. Diamond's a stage name.
Stage name?
Yeah.
Oh, like a nickname. Where do you know my daughter?
Oh, from work. We work together sometimes.
This job, you been there long?
Oh, gosh, maybe 10 years.
This job, you make good money? No?
Well, the money can be very good, but that's why you have to work hard and make as much as you can because it does not last. Let me tell you, I may have to retire soon. How many years left?
Retire? You're a baby.
Oh.
How old are you?
I'm 31. But you know what? Besides having to look so young and fresh all the time, it can be very hard on my knees. That's a big concern.
Your knees? Why your knees? Picking up paper clips from the floor?
Mrs. Lamonte,
Nah, Mrs. Wheeler.
Oh.
I remarried to someone else, not Lauren's father.
Okay. Well, Mrs. Wheeler. So, Lauren tells me she has siblings. You got any grandchildren?
Yes. My son has 3 children.
Okay.
But none of my girls have any.
Well.
But I'm a grandma.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Well, I see the resemblance to Lauren.
Don't tell me you don't have any children either.
Oh, no, Mrs. Wheeler. I am focusing on my career, okay? Listen, and I know the clock is ticking, but children are a big responsibility. And I don't believe people should have them if they can't afford to take care of them. And not just about affording the money, but the time.
These new generations are very different. I was told you get married and have children so they can take care of you when you get old.
Oh, really? Have children so they can take care of you?